na no the Ibrahim transfers no.
Lutama yenche tiefo ne mo makwa banfambra SOMPA Sports na no pay. First of all, let's start with the Saudi Arabia operation. Now, Saudi Arabia operation, no, you say last summer a lot of players in the movie in the January transfer window. Dodo na wo Areshemu wo and that will be say be a umbetima services and other players they free mainstream Europe as aso de omakwa kopie mu e Saudi Arabia. But as it stands, they are on break. Ombe resume league in around February 4th.
Okay.
And Ombe Saba start league in IBM. Now, getting in most of these players to come in, no. A bisu so your madrin so be free honum dia ko. Free timer. I wanna say Al Ittihad boy. Our game ne ended by 5 goals to 2. Besi and na me no work say. Al Ittihad for who be a Karim Benzema o. Why? Unless why say be our quantity baby.
Oh yeah.
But in context, because there's a huge issue of Al Ittihad. Issue no what Al Ittihad ni nyina say. Omo supporters ni gitu mi say omo fo wa banano age Ballon d'Or. Ana ska omo de be fa on na wosoro. Perform up to a certain standard omo hwe ani mu say wo so otimi perform de ma omo. De edi kan omo kobo FIFA Club World Cup on a very crucial moment in the game ko say penalty. The number botia na say results now ko yan farm omo they lost 5-2 at home. And they believe say now we are one of the weakness of the sides in terms of performances. Esia support ni na dane akwa kosi player friend Hamdallah so. Hamdallah no 15 goals with 3 assists this season in 20 games for Al Ittihad. As compared to 20 games for Karim Benzema, was 12 goals.
Okay.
Eso so dia momo. Karim Benzema feels like he has been betrayed by the supporters of Al Ittihad.
Okay.
Because Kobetimi move to any other club in Europe. Because na form no ho.
If Madrid crown na onye omunye se ombeja.
No munye so ombeja le kwan and Man United or PSG would have snapped him.
Oh yeah.
And ehon so come out Madrid so come betwe ska bia so de ayede e de amano. Look at the money Rafael Varane beje. Hriska Casemiro beje. Karim Benzema office anko beje say.
Obeje pa. Obeje asin omompo. And
Amana is quite disappointed and he's contemplating on a move away from Al Ittihad. No aba bisi aka o mainstream Europe biem. Enyo no kwa. Roberto Firmino. O free Liverpool you so ko chinchini ya no akopie mu Saudi Arabia. Now, I Saudi Arabia hono so no so jitu me say 8 consecutive substitutions. That means we free bench about 8 consecutive times.
Okay.
On said and share a lot of goals in farm.
Meaning on your regular starter.
On your regular starter, the moment see. So there is a huge question around on this in the future.
Nottingham Forest
for Naboy. Now, Kadiomo penny is and common for more 6 months loan.
Okay.
Already they've almost spent a lot of money. And then Biana Premier League in the composition music kasimu. In terms of it's my docky or more point. It's Comunia Roberto Firmino Luna. Emaneba is now almost like a cano. Our fit. I will see a kind of Chris Wood. Say Chris Wood no one ma this some use attacking methods na don't be shame strikers dey omobo. So you they should have Roberto Firmino in this particular aspect. Operation Saudi Arabia consists of Hawa, Karim Benzema, and Roberto Firmino wants to find their way back into Europe.
Okay.
Operation Kylian Mbappé. Enra, but also have a story after the game Kylian Mbappé in some of the two dawaboni nyina ma yete fo ne ahwefo nyina etimi ehunu na adwene ne bibia. But this is the whole scenario around Kylian Mbappé operation. Sesi an obetimi ni team bia negotiate.
But team of France there. Ontimi.
Obetimi ni team bia negotiate but team of France there.
Ontimi.
Now teams say outside France are almost show intention. Say omunyo muni Kylian Mbappé be adwuma de bebre. But do no na wogide bi say we Real Madrid free one man Liverpool na so mo ho bon mu kakra so betimi aye.
Because no pass a tabloid Liverpool dia ba mu pa.
But the financial stuff involved in this particular deal I'm not sure Liverpool will push for that. Yes. As compared to what Real Madrid might be offering. But the only thing that can change Kylian Mbappe's stance any nyoma e betimi akoso ama nyoma timi asesa na ebiniye. Luther Real Madrid this week ya ankasane enko remu early next week they will love to know the position of Kylian Mbappé. Contract ni ya drafted aho. Omo Madrid so mu discount bi beka ho. Signing on fee 130 million euros so ba beje wade. 26 million euros a year. Oba usi kana sa na ye betwa oka contract ni bibia from last year ya draft year that we ready so obesan abeye dey
best Oba no afa now Faiza oni Sanchez also mu share din komo alongside with Florentino Perez it's between the week and the Meremu early next week, there is supposed to be a roundtable discussion on the said matter. If Kylian Mbappé is willing to sign, they believe some Comunian said yeah, Alaba from Bayern Munich to Real Madrid. By January, there was a pre-agreement between Real Madrid and Alaba on the course. Say at the end of the season, Oba see a kind of momo. Omo person na everyone in the same way. Person ni nam kwan ba so na say the mom okay
na enu no na Real Madrid baby ogina say ne pese after next week no oye no anya response bi oba Racing Mbappé bi Real Madrid feel say baby onu ni gina no oye in the right position in the right position ne say Kylian Mbappé is not the most needed player for Real Madrid assistance
sir.
Oh yes,
because of Jude Bellingham
the impact of Jude Bellingham. First, nanka pressure ni na gina Vinicius Junior so. But it room be a better between Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo. Rodrigo became as important as Vinicius Junior is to Real Madrid. Then Jude Bellingham so by and on much more important for this particular Real Madrid setup in terms of games be on my OG say more thing. And the impact of Jude Bellingham shouldn't be underestimated. And the investment on my true for Jude Bellingham ni na omu ye stable say omu ye quite okay. Kamavinga mu na mu, Tchouaméni mu na mu, all of these players ni na mu. Baby Real Madrid feel say bi omu yan position and omu yan player top an kra no. Enye ni mu ho.
Okay.
Real Madrid ji 2 years say no omu nya left back a. Ebe bo because say Frank Garcia mo ne no koto nchen a. O say be center back on now they believe that Alaba mu nyina grow out of the team na Tchou mu nyina be free. So they need to find another good center back for Rudiger the partnership. And almost say when he say acha next season or next two seasons Ellen Holland ebe available almost at Temskadi akwakofa no. So Real Madrid feels that their position now any baby omujina Mbappé is not the solution to all their problems. Mbappé is not the solution to all their problems. It's Mbappé tenase not to train and say no yes say there. Real Madrid are ready. Set Luther on betimi your money free so if he doesn't want to sign. So the dynamics of the whole thing no but no dey tell also on Kasabe brain because of some detail also loyalty bonus was oji. What I say kebi wo chire was ultimate. It's enya fi no be Kasabe brain. But Real Madrid stance on mujina na say let us know Oba na Oma if Obeba pre-agreement with my day akoso then one boys because also mo catch say you want to finish your contract with Paris Saint-Germain.
Okay.
You moving on now. Bishop was it
Liverpool. Liverpool.
To me coffee up 120 million pounds for Caicedo. I wouldn't be surprised signing on fee 130 million euros. Maybe on by salary.
Because Salah so the contract extension or more dim komo dro ni mu pa.
Salah na Liverpool to me to Mbappé.